Going to be doing the first oil change on my 2025 Yamaha R6 Race. It has got a whopping 6.9 miles. No, I'm just kidding. 246 miles. So first things first, crank it up. Let it warm up. I've already let it warm up a little bit. And then now we're going to remove the left side fairing and the shifter and start draining the oil. First thing you'll need is a 5mm and 4mm Allen key, and you're going to take off that bolt, that bolt, that bolt, that bolt, little one down right there. Those two can stay, that one and then that one. And then back behind here, there is a push pin. It's usually a screw push pin thing that was really annoying to get out, so I replaced it with a push pin. And then you're gonna have another push pin right here, and then an Allen key right there. And I'll let you know once I have all that off. While I'm doing my oil change, Carter's bringing his car in. Oh, you got it.
It's stuck on something.
There you go. It was on a little lip. All right, once you got the two push pins out from there and there, it's just a little plastic piece that, well, it should come out. Oh, just kidding. I actually forgot two more, so there's those two right there for push pins. So once you have all four of those push pins out instead of the two, this little plastic piece right here just comes out like that. And then the side piece comes off from there, and I'll show you how to do that next. So basically, oh, is that a washer? Yeah, we're gonna take that off first. And we're gonna put that with the bolt it goes with. And then basically this kind of just pops off right there like you saw. And then I forgot that one too, just kidding. So the last one right there. Okay, so once you stop forgetting all the hardware, this kind of just pops off like that. And then there's those couple clips right there, and they just kind of pop out oddly. So I can't record and do it at the same time. So, if I remember...
That stays. Oh, I hate this. Anything else in that, right? What am I forgetting? I'm so confused. Okay, cool. That pops out down there. And then once you do that...
I think this just pops. Oh, it's so scary. It's like you're gonna break stuff. Okay. I don't think anything's broken, but... So this is what it looks like with the side fairing off. So the next step is I'm gonna remove, this is a 6mm Allen key, the shifter right there so I can get the oil filter out and off. And then the drain plug is a 17mm right there. All right, so from the factory they use an insane amount of blue Loctite, so the shifter bolt was impossible to get off. And then the drain plug was also torqued to 1,000,000 pound-feet, so that was a struggle. But we got it off, or loose, so now the moment of truth, draining the oil and seeing what it looks like from braking. All right, moment of truth. Well, I was expecting worse. I don't know. Not as bad as I was expecting. Now you gotta get the oil filter off and repeat vice versa and fill it up. All right, so I went ahead and flushed some of my Motul 7100 because it was green oil before. So I just dumped a little bit through to let it pour through. And then instead of the 17 millimeter, I got the titanium drain plug that's drilled. So we'll replace that. Okay, once you have all the oil drained, go ahead and wipe everything down. Still gotta get that a little bit. Put your drain plug back in. Don't forget to lube up your oil filter.
Okay. Go back to the front and play, don't watch.
Golden. And then we're gonna slide this back in here. It's very easy to get in, as you can tell. I'm gonna tighten that down, fill it up with oil, and start it up. Alright, so now you're gonna balance on one foot, and you're gonna dump in 2.8 quarts of 10W40. Alright, so once you got it filled back up with oil, crank it up and make sure it doesn't blow.